Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you're all feeling good and ready for an exciting tour to Bandung, our educational tour, the capital city of West Java, and also known as Paris of Java. First of all, let us all be grateful to God Almighty for the health and opportunity to travel with the joy and togetherness. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Wahdah Syahputra Zenhar. I'm from grade 11 tourism class 2. You can call me Mr. Putra, Mr. Wahdah, Mr. Syahputra, or also Mr. Zenhar. That's all up to you. I will be your guide for today, proudly representing Rebel Tour and Travel Holidays. Okay, let me introduce our crew for today. In front of you, you can see Mr. Asef as our professional bus driver. And on the left side of Mr. Asef is Mr. Dian as our co-driver. Behind of you, you can see Mr. Radit, Mr. Adi, and Mr. Akmal, and also Mr. Indra as our safety officers. And next to me is Miss Faras as our tour coordinator. We are all here to make sure your journey will be safety, informative, and enjoyable. Ladies and gentlemen, before we embark on our tour, I kindly ask you to pay attention to a few important rules to ensure everyone's safety and enjoyment. Number 1. Keep the bus clean. Please dispose of your garbage in the bins provided and refrain from littering. Number 2. Maintain a quiet atmosphere. Avoid making noise or playing loud music to respect fellow travelers. Number 3. Take care of your personal belongings. Keep your personal belongings secure and be mindful of your surroundings. Number 4. No dangerous items. For everyone's safety, please don't bring hazardous materials on the bus. Number 5, the last one is very important. This is to always stay together, remain with the group, and avoid wandering off. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me or my partner. Because we are all here, very happy if you ask me, don't worry, yeah. Okay, before we begin, let's take a moment to pray together. Praying together begins. Okay, thank you. Now please double check your personal belongings. Ensure that you have all your personal belongings and that nothing is left behind. Once you're ready, let's proceed to the destination. Okay. But before we proceed, let me explain about journey. Today's journey will be filled with the history, culture, and fun. We will begin with the history of Bandung. Okay, please pay attention. This are all of our tour schedule. We will begin with the history of Bandung, and then enjoy Tari Kandangan, a graceful traditional dance. After that, we will visit Mandala Wangsit Siliwangi Museum to learn about our nation's heroic past, followed by Museum of the ASEAN African Conference to explore a moment that changed world history. And finally, we will end the day at the Great Asia Africa, one of the most popular tourist attractions in Bandung today. You can see on the TikTok or any platforms like YouTube, Telegram or Twitter, and also Instagrams. This is very viral on the FYP of FYP as our popular tourist attractions. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will start with the history of Bandung itself. Our journey begins with the history of Bandung. Okay, I will ask to you a question. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about Bandung? Alright, so I will explain about this. So Bandung is a capital city of West Java. Bandung, also known as part of Java. Why is Bandung called as part of Java? Okay, this is because of Bandung's charm comes from its cool weather, the green landscapes, and beautiful the Dutch colonial buildings with the unique architectural style that combines European and Indonesian influence. In the 19th century, the Dutch developed the city as a resort destination, surrounded by three plantations, the completion of the railway from Batavia or Jakarta in the past, the name of Jakarta in the past, in 1818 made Bandung grow quickly. Today, Bandung, the city, become a center for education, fashion, and tourism. Now that we know how this beautiful city began, let's move to one of its most elegant cultural treasure, Tari Kandangan. Ladies and gentlemen, Tari Kandangan is a traditional Sundanese dance that celebrates the grace and beauty of women. This is very beautiful. This traditional dance has a soft yet expansive movements accompanied by traditional instruments like gamelan, angklung, and kendang. The dancers wear bright costumes with the golden accessories, making every performance lively and colorful. Okay, give applause. Ladies and gentlemen, after appreciating this cultural performance, let us all continue our journey with the Bandung's heroic past. Mandala Wangsit Siliwangi Museum. Ladies and gentlemen, this museum was once a Dutch military headquarters. The name of Mandala Wangsit means secret message. This name reflecting the bravery of the Siliwangi Division, one of Indonesia's most famous military units. Inside you will find all of the weapons, the uniforms, photos, and also the documents from the Indonesian struggle for independence. Ladies and gentlemen, from this history of courage, we now move to a place where Bandung became the center of international attention. Did you know? Yeah, that's right. The Museum Asia African Conference, located on Jalan Asia Afrika. This museum remembers the 1955 conference, where leaders from the 29 ASEAN and African countries gathered to promote peace and independence from the colonialism, including Indonesia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, Cambodia, and also India, Nepal, and any countries. In this site, you can see the historical documents, photographs, audio recordings, and the national flags from various countries. Ladies and gentlemen, please speak quickly and avoid touching the exhibits to respect this important site. Finally, after exploring history and culture, we will enjoy something modern and exciting. This is the Great Asia Africa. The Great Asia Africa is one of Bandung's most popular tourist destinations today. Like I said before, that Bandung most popular tourist attractions, it is the Great Asia Africa. This is a cultural theme park that showcases miniature landmarks from many countries across Asia and Africa. Visitors can dress in the traditional costumes. You can dress up with the Japanese costumes, or you can say kimono and kabaya from Indonesia, and also sari from India, and also the many countries again. You can also take beautiful photos because there's so many spots here, beautiful spot. It is perfect. This is the perfect place. You can also taste foods from the different countries. My favorite is kerak telur from Indonesia. If you ask my favorite food from except Indonesia is Japan. I like sushi. You must try this traditional food. Okay, this is a perfect place to end our tour with the fun and great memories. Today we will discover Bandung's past, enjoy its cultural beauty, remember the heroic moments, explore its role in Bandung in the world historical, and finally experience a modern tourist spot loved by many. I hope this trip brings you joy, knowledge, and unforgettable memories of Bandung. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached the end of our tour. It has been a great pleasure to guide you today. Thank you very much for being such wonderful participants. Your attention made this trip more enjoyable for everyone. I hope today's trip gave you not only happiness but also knowledge about Bandung and its history. Like I said before, Bandung has many beautiful places and interesting stories, and I hope you enjoyed learning about them. My name is Wahda Syah Putra Zanhar from Grade 11 Tourism Class 2. On behalf of Rebel Tour and Travel Holiday, I wish you have a safe trip back home. I also hope you take with you good memories that you can remember for a long time. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you on the next trip. As we return to the bus, please take a moment to check your personal belongings. Yeah, make sure nothing is left behind. If you have taken photos, we hope they become beautiful memories of today's experience. Have a great day. Oh yeah. I also will give you the reminder to always bring the jacket or sweater because this is a cool weather. I think it will be the rainy day. So always take the umbrella and double check of your personal belongings. Have a great day. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.